And then the next Friday, he was discharged. So he kind of got better. So he had COVID pneumonia. So when his symptoms improved, they discharged him the following week, Friday, after the 3rd. And that night, I mean, I think I'm still traumatized from that night after he was discharged from hospital, because he was strong, so and he didn't like the hospital show. So to be honest, I think he also he felt strong enough to go.
Hello there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salula. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Actress and TV producer Connie Ferguson has opened up about the night that her husband Shona Ferguson sadly died from COVID a few years ago, you guys. The actress talked to E! Africa for the first time and revealed that she never thought that her husband, Shona Ferguson, would die because he felt and looked better. And that's why the hospital decided to discharge him when his symptoms got better. But little did they know that he would unfortunately die. She also revealed that he had a pneumonia and said that she is still traumatized from that night that he had died, you guys. She broke down as she shared that horrific ordeal, you guys. Now please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my